Here we are again, day 2 of the Southern Manufacturing and Electronics Show. As you can see, another super busy day. Plenty of people here. I'm just taking a very short video because there's only 2 of us on the stand today, and I want to make sure that obviously catch as many people as possible. As you can see, fantastic event. We've had a really good response. Not even midday, and plenty of cards for the champagne. Don't forget you can go onto LinkedIn and still enter yourself to the prize. Sean is eating all of the sweets.
Can't got to keep your spelt figure.
Your stealth figure, excellent. Okay, so come down and see us and hopefully see you soon.